All right, guys. What is this event? Well, what are we doing out here?
Alone but not lonely.
Hungry but not starving.
Well, this event is called SCO, which is stand for SoCal Outdoorsman Huge Event. We try to throw it out once a year, and we try to invite as many people as possible. And all you need to do is click go in, and we're good to go. Everything is free. Everything is paid for and sponsored. And people change their mind the last minute and want to come. So sorry.
So we're over here cooking with Manny. What do we got going on over here?
Then we got carne asada, donated by JP Safra.
Meat.
And meats. And we have some chicken.
Oh, the meat looks good.
Alright, we got all this chicken over here. It's going in the fryer. I know some of it was in the barbecue. But Jose, what are you doing? What do you got going on over here?
Hey. While we wait, you fucking hydrate. America.
The dogs are...
Honey.
Yeah.
The spider. There's a spider. There's a giant spider.
Oh no!
Oh no! Ah, it's coming at us.
Alright, how are we cooking it over here? What are we doing?
We are seasoning with our Holy Trinity. Actually, Holy Dual. Holy Dual 2.
Oh, Trinity.
Because we make the third.
That's right. It's made out of love. That's hard, right?
And then
It's hard putting it aside. So
So we got the fried chicken going.
yeah,
Got the fryer going.
I got more for you, buddy.
and it takes a bath.
Are any of them done yet?
No, stop it. Relax.
Alright, what do we got going on over here? What are you guys eating? What are you guys eating?
Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken? So we got grilled chicken over here.
That's grilled chicken.
We got the fried chicken over there.
With this special sauce on it.
special sauce.
What's the special sauce?
It's called Japanese barbecue.
Cameraman.
There you go.
The special sauce, very good.
I know, right?
From Japan.
What do you got on the grill?
Same one. That's where it's coming out. That's where that chicken's coming from.
Go open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's no chicken in here.
This is in our stomachs.
Open. Let's see what's in the ice chest here. What's going in the grill after? What do we got in here?
Oh, yeah.
Lechon.
Oh man.
See,
Lechon.
that's where I got shot.
What, a 50-pound lechon? Everyone's got their lunch going. Man, the one thing out here is there's definitely no shortage of food. Everyone. You just pretty much go to everyone's camp. You just start grabbing food. Chinese beef stew.
Beef tendon, brisket. Real tasty. Took maybe 5-6 hours to cook this dish.
No.
This is off limit. No video allowed. This is Area 51.
Yeah, if you ever see this monstrosity driving down the road and he offers you free candy, do not go inside.
Do not go inside.
Do not.
You bring candy?
I did not.
What? Why not?
I didn't have time to stop, but I talked to Manny, and Manny's got a lot of candy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's not like I came empty-handed. Towed the side-by-side with the GX over here. Like I said, man, the GXs are definitely turning up. There's quite a bit of them. Got a matte black one over here on some nice King's rocks. Little awning, water on top. I think it's pretty cool. What else we got over here? We got some Subarus, Toyota Tacoma, Tundra. Nice big sleeping trailer with the power wagon. Little trailer. cruisers. And getting ready for the trunk or treat for all the kids. Look at all these Halloween decorations going. The GX crowd's definitely growing out here. It's got the trailer out there. They got a freaking bedroom over here. What is this tent, dude? Dude, you guys. What? This isn't camping. Look, they got the Starlink dish over here. Freaking, I don't know.
You living in a cave still?
I don't know what that box is. Freaking, what they're powering on that. What are you guys doing in here? Dude, this thing's freaking huge, man. Like,
and this is just one of many.
Dude, they got like power like cord over there. Like,
we got integrated lights and our MTV cribs or whatever.
Everyone's getting their pew pew on over there. They got the firing range going. Let's go see what they're doing over here. Got the drill instructor out here teaching the youngins.
So what you do is pull the trigger. Okay, see? Then release the trigger.
Probably should have brought some hearing protection. What we got going on over here? Is this stuff what we should have in the video? Is the ATF gonna find out?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Know what to do with it, you know, he's like,
But it's just a short little range, just a little planking range.
yeah, right to the table.
Hey, so what kind of dog is this?
It's a German Shepherd. It's a American white dog.
Man's best friend. It's a German Shepherd.
The name was Barbecue. Hey, you know Chinese by dog, not by species, but by pound.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll.
Got the Dodge with the Go Fast camper. Of course, they got their internet out here with the Starlink. And look at this, their little haunted trunk or treat. Kids are definitely gonna have a fun time at this one. The Lexus GX row over here. Some more GXs. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, yeah, you're not supposed to be pooping in the walkway. You don't have to lie about it, you know. And even more GXs. Look, everyone's getting their decorations out. They got the dinosaur decorations, the cobwebs.
Ooh, look at that dinosaur.
I know, look at that. We got SpongeBob over here.
What are those?
Where's your outfit?
I didn't dress up yet.
You dressing up? Checking the kids trick-or-treating or what? Gotta watch out from these guys. Got the rowdy crews over here, man.